Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna solve this quadratic equation here by completing the square. Okay, so let us start it. Okay, we're gonna have here x to the 2 plus 6x and leave some room right here, plus 8 equals 0 equals to 0. So we're leaving some room here to complete it. Okay, how do we complete it? I mean, we're gonna take this term here, plus 6. Okay, it is plus 6. Okay, and divided by 2. So we're gonna take only the half of it, divided by 2, the half of it, and then the half of it is 3, and then we square the 3 of it, the half of it, and put it back into the function or the equation. So it's giving us here plus 9. Okay, and as we didn't have 9 in our original equation, we can just, you know, remove it with minus 9. Okay, so that's it. Or you can even say here 3 to the power of 2. It's all the same. Okay, then we can continue by saying that this is giving us x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 9, okay, and minus 1 equals to 0. And this here, just like we said, is 3 to the 2. It means this is here already a perfect square. So we can rewrite it just this way, x plus 3 to the power of 2, okay, and then minus 1. All right, and now we can add, I mean, equals to 0, equals to 0 right here, and now we can add 1 on this side. Pardon, we can add 1 here and 1 there, or it means that get rid of the loose, okay, to the other side. So this is going to give us x plus 3 to the power of 2 equals 1, and we can square root both sides. Okay, and this is giving us x plus 3 equals plus minus 1. Okay, when you take the square root, it gives you, always gives you two solutions. Okay, and this actually means that we're having here two possibilities: either x plus 3 equals 1, or n, not either, n, it is n, and x plus 3, because the both are, I mean, both solution, belong to the equation. Okay, we can put first here, first equation, and second equation here. Okay, and this is giving us the first one is giving us x equals minus 2. Okay, and the second one is giving us x equals minus 4. Okay, so we can say that the solution of our equation are minus 4 and minus 2. Okay, and this is it for this equation. Okay, and the other one will be 6x to the 2 minus 4 48 equals minus 12x. The first thing to do here is to rearrange everything just like an equation, equals to 0. Okay, so and this is going to be look like 6 to the 2, x to the 2 plus 12x minus 48, but the whole thing equals to 0. Okay, and now we need to have it like a perfect, formula of quadratic equation. And it looks like, it means that this here, I mean the 6 here, this coefficient here needs to disappear. Okay, because this coefficient here needs to disappear, because normally the perfect equation is look like this: x to the 2 plus bx and plus c equals to 0, and with a always equals to 1. And in this condition, this is only under this condition that they can solve the equation, either completing or the discriminant and everything. So we need to divide by 6 here. Okay, so we're having 6 times x to the 2 uh, plus 2x minus 8, and the whole thing equals 0. And we can get rid of the 6, because you know when you have x divided by 2, right, equals to 0, it's just like we're having 0 over 1 is also 0. And if you cross multiply that, you know, this equality x equal to 0 is verified. Okay, so we're going to say that we can get rid of the 6 here and continue by saying that the only thing, I mean, the whole thing will still remain, will still have is x to the 2 plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. And this is, we started to complete the square right here. Okay, we were writing x to the 2 plus 2x and leave some rooms here. Minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, and we're gonna do the same, use the same process we did here to complete the square. So we're just taking the second term, it is 2, you know, taking a half of it. Okay, the half of it is 1, and square root it and bring it back into the equation, so it will be plus 1. And we didn't have the plus 1 before, so we can remove it by putting minus 1. Okay, and so therefore, I mean, the whole equation, the whole thing here is going to give up here x, and this is here, what we got here is a perfect square. So we can rewrite it by saying it's x plus 1 to the 2 to the power of 2. That's what it is. Okay, and then minus 1 minus 9 would be minus 8, minus 1 minus 8 would be minus 1, and that equals 0. And we can add 9 here and 9 there. So it gives us x to the 2, x plus 1 to the power of 2 equals 9. Okay, and now we can square root both sides. This is going to give us x plus 1 equals plus minus 3. But the square root of 9 is 3, and we got two solutions, right? Okay, now we can still you know, adding 1, also minus 1 here and minus 1 on that side. It means that x will be equal to plus minus 3 minus 1, and this is kind of two solution, and the first one will be x equals to plus 3 minus 1. This is 2, and the second one equals to minus 3 minus 1, and this is minus 4. Okay, and our whole result will be, we're saying that the solution of this second equation will be minus 4 and 2. Okay, all right, so thank you for watching again, guys. Until next time, bye bye.